we'll guide you through how to make video script in Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin, open your browser so you can access the site you need. When the browser is ready, go to the search bar and type Notion, then run the search so the results can load. Once the list appears, click the top web link that looks right, because that will take you straight to the main site. After the page opens, look at the private section on the left side and click the plus button to add a new page. When the new page appears, type a title that fits your purpose so the page is clear and easy to recognize. After naming it, click inside the page and type /data so the database options show up. From the choices, select Table View to create a table. When the table loads, select New Empty Data Resource so you can build it from scratch. Now click Add Property so you can start shaping the fields inside the table. Name the first property video name so it is clear what belongs there. After that, rename the default name property to script since that column will hold your script notes. Then click Add Property again so you can create another field. Name this one Progress and change the property type to Status so you can track the stage of each item. Next, click Add Property once more and name it Video Type. Then set this one to Status as well so you can sort your work by category. Once the properties are ready, switch the position of the video name column so it comes before the script column. After arranging the order, click Add Property again and name the new one Due Date so you can keep track of deadlines. When the structure is complete, start adding new pages inside the table by clicking New Page in the row area. Once the new page is created, begin adding your script into the data so the table fills up with information. After typing the script title or details in the table, click the script entry to open it fully. Inside the script page, you can type the full content of your video script in a clean space without distraction. This setup lets you store many scripts while keeping each row organized with progress, video type, due date, and the main script page. Once everything is in place, you can keep updating the table as you work.